Transfer a call in consultation. To transfer a call using the method consulted, you must press the button with the three-dot icon. In the search space, you can enter the name of a Microsoft Teams user, an extension number, or a telephone number. Once you have entered the telephone number or name of the Microsoft Teams user, you must press the Consult button. In case the receiver accepts the transfer of the call, you must press the Transfer button. If you want to know about these and other functionalities or open a case, you can contact our customer service center. We will gladly assist you.